Welcome, and if it's your first time, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share for yours truly Spring Garden One. Today I'll be sharing with you some healthy juice that was prepared in my kitchen. We have carrot juice, yellow beet and candy apple. Thank you for joining again from yours truly Spring Garden One. As you can see, I have carrot and golden beets, otherwise called yellow beets also. These are what we're going to use to make the juice that we're preparing to display for you. Thank you. As you can see, these are the juice that was done from the carrot and the golden beets as well. For the essence of time, we just show you our finished product. Thank you for watching.